Mop It Up, Unraveling English Phrases. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, mop it up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it effectively. Let's get started. To understand the phrase better, let's break it down. A mop is a tool with a long handle and absorbent material at one end. It's commonly used for cleaning, especially to soak up liquids from floors. Mop it up, in its literal sense, means to clean or soak up a spill or mess using a mop. Example: after the water spilled, she quickly grabbed a mop to mop it up. While the literal meaning involves cleaning, English speakers often use mop it up in a figurative sense. In this context, it means to finish something off, handle the remaining parts, or clear up any last issues. Examples: after the main project was completed, John had to mop up the minor issues left behind. The army defeated the main forces of the enemy and then moved on to mop up the remaining pockets of resistance. When learning any new phrase, it's vital to understand common pitfalls. One mistake is using mop it up in situations where it doesn't fit contextually. Remember, it's not suitable for situations where there's nothing to clear up or finish off. Don't overuse it. Like all idioms, it should be used when it adds value to the conversation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, mop it up. Whether you're using it to talk about cleaning up a spill or addressing the last remnants of a task, this versatile phrase can be a great addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has shed some light on its usage. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.